Today we'll be showing you the unboxing of a Fanvil X7. Inside the box you'll find a quick installation guide. A phone. Curly cord, a LAN cable, a handset, and of course our phone stand. Let's have a look at the phone. The Fanvil X7 is a high-end enterprise phone with a full touchscreen, including BLFs on the screen. Let's roll it over and have a look on the back. Fanvil X7 has built-in Bluetooth to support Bluetooth headsets, but it also has a USB port for Wi-Fi dongles, voice recording, or uploading software on the phone. We also have on the phone a power point, so you can plug in a cable power as opposed to using PoE, but it does not come with a power supply in the box. There is also a Rj9 Headset Port on it to support standard corded headsets or EHS support. Let's put this phone together. We're going to take our handset, and we're going to take our curly cord, and we're going to plug the short end of our curly cord into the base of our handset, like so. We're going to take the long end of the curly cord and plug it into the phone as indicated by the handset symbol. There it goes, and then we're going to feed the cable down through the channel. Alright, now we're going to pop the phone's base onto the phone, and this just slides in. I'm going to put the phone's base into the phone and
where'd you pick it up from?
I got the phone the wrong way.
Where did you pick up the unit from?
Yeah.
Just put it down. Okay, now start again. Go.
And we're going to put the base into the phone to stand it up. It just goes, slots into these little holes here, slides in, and away we go. And that is our Fanvil X7.